Hey guys, it's KittySquad. Okay, so I know my last video about my slimes, I know I didn't get like a lot of views, so I was thinking maybe I can try another one and maybe it'll do better. Okay, first up we're gonna do this one. Okay, so I got it opened. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out. Okay. So guys, we have a jiggly slime, which we had in our last slime video. So I've seen that you need to do this, and it's gonna like I don't know, it's gonna be like good bubbles. Okay, so let's try that out. 3, 2, 1. It's leaking. Okay. Pop. Overall, I rate this slime like a 7 out of 10. Okay. Next slime. I hate it when that happens. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna be reviewing the next slime, which is a pink slime. I'm gonna be reviewing my favorite color, pink. Okay, so I empty it out onto the table. And it looks pretty good. Pink, my favorite color. Comment down below your favorite color. Your fave color. Maybe me and you will match up. So I made a slime bubble. But these slimes, they're not really good for slime bubbles. This one, it's a smaller version of the one that we just checked out. And this one's supposed to have a scent. It smells like chemicals. If that counts as a scent. Okay, I rate this slime a 6 out of 10. Okay, so the last one we're going to be doing is putty. It's putty. I'm going to be doing some putty slime. Okay. Now, in my opinion, I don't really like putty because it's pretty stiff. And to be honest, putty slime, it's not really that good, to be honest. Because it's really rippy. Really an ASMR. It's hard, but in a way, it's also kind of stretchy. In a way, it's also kind of stretchy. In one way, I guess you would say that. I mean, I guess I would say that this slime, I think it's better than the other ones. So I think the slime, I'll rate it a solid would be rated like a 4 out of 10. I don't like it. It's actually like not that good. So we're gonna move on to the next slime. We're gonna move on to the next slime. I will be right back after the break. Okay, so I got the new slime, put the old slime in the container. Okay, let's check this one out. It's sticky. It's sticky. It's sticky. It's sticky. The slime makes weird noises. Okay, so this slime, I would say this slime is pretty good. Let me try to do something that I haven't really done. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to do a swirl. And I don't know how to do one, so this will be fun. Okay. Comment down below if you think this is a good swirl. Okay, so let's try to do some good ASMR. 3, 2, 1. So this is, I apart from the smell and this tacky texture, I think I gotta rate this an 8 out of 10. Okay, guys, this has been fun.